adwene wo ha na o ma ba beje Ghana nafa. Mama said they will see somebody and I don't know if they didn't get here. President Rompe be eniana.
That's in free nkrofo ya wo se wo mewura mu. Won se niema ekoso no bibia di adanse na ekire tirimu pa ewo NDC aban no tirimu. Because say nkrofo etwa ye ho ahia ya wafre wo se wo mutimi wura mu. Wo mo amfa ka bi mame ka bi amamu anya adwuma. Yenso yesi agi democracy di. Na yeden na wo ne wo mkonya ayonkofa to the extent say wo so wo mutimi afede yembie boda ho mo mutimi mewuram. Na tesa adwene boni bi aba papa ni tirim. Enti e wo se nipa timi di ni nan si fom. Na yeso ano ntententem ni ama ne kwame na amedi bonu. Ebize nipa na wo de ho kwobo no na wo se wotimi ba ukurum ha na wo mo ni jefo ne Burkina Faso ofui.
Ni Mali fo.
Ena Mali.
Nkrofo
we mu se wo mo no mo mpeka bi ma menka bi. Na se wo ye leader papa na wo so di kami ba menka bi amambotuma. E ka wo ne omo kra de mu wotwa kaben. E de ne ayonkofa baria bedo ne omo ntamu. Na kire se wono mahama ne de wabu nua gu na so ne NDC aban. E kwan bi opeso ofaso a wo de frustrate yen na onya kwan nya edi nsem betena aban ne so biem na ope kwan aye. Na so ye ma no kwan. Ye ma no kwan ma ne nyesa. E ye ku no o plot no. Wo mmekire mo kwan obefa so obeye sa ne man fi se wo do ho empanyimfo se kire me wo yonko na me nkire suban. Eti se wo ka ECOWAS ho na se ECOWAS ni nyina mo gi tum se e wo se ye di rule of law ne ye adwuma na anya sa na ECOWAS ne ka se no
sa bebe
na se no ne ka sa na se wo de wo se me ye ECOWAS member na emom de ono se won gi rule of law ni ntum no afa de me ni na yonko fa no kure mu aye den ate na ECOWAS fo na aka sa ku na let us dream boni about who person who pia ye kwese obi
eno krepa
opia ya kwese obi eti was a Ghana for me ani da ho na mpanyimfo no say peace council se mpanyimfo so wo Ghana so mu ni wo ye hu omo asofo ya twetwe pimpini sisi aboso obobo mu yem ye hu faso bi e wo omo so bebere sofo no ebi mo etu omo hwe no omo nka sempa fa nkere John Mahama eti sa de wo se ye timi di ni gina ne gina bia niema ayi ECOWAS nomine sa nkrofo no no manso tesa John Mahama go protect na me ya sori meka version bi borofo na me de akomo because the Mahama no ade a wo say o man no person haye ye mapa na be yesa emwa yen because ebi man ka bi ne yetim kura ye wo si ye dwan funu na afa de be se akofa Banana Republic fo edi o ma ba emfa ho ne se de nipa no obebu man no amanfo bi ka say ena kodi wo ba ya obeje ye no soja ban ba ye no obu o man ni ye emfa ho sa wo ka bi ma menka bia wo sina de nyina wo panyinfo se panyini esina de nyina na wo ye wo ka bi ma menka bia mamum ye mpe ye kofa soja fo aba anti na kwande ne ho abo no so de ne ho abo no se ye se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na betana so ena oba ye no sha ase de ne ho bo Boko Haram fo enkramufo mo wo Nigeria no mo esore ba obeka asese obi Boko Haram fo ti ba oba mo mra nka mo beka sen nti ne akọ na enye e wo se obia wo dweno man ho papa bia timi kaseti a na fe lorry film so omutum yo lorry film de to de so ombetum me de archbishop ne kan na se mo so ochi ne kan no ba vota ba bi na obi gina ne se wo man left na left no so danka ba bia wo kọ no ho anso wan form so ofa wo mo beka se NDC ba yi kuro nya ka free nti wan form eno ano no say ayi ne de ye betum ama omo nante na be nante yi wo betu lorry fe ni mu den me dim so wo betum dada nti me nya de me nwanwa me ka kire wo mo say aban bia ni ho no ma wo ba sa niema we say na wo de ye campaign no wo betimi aye ho hyehyɛ ya ma na ye we ade bi wo ho aye mfa nye campaign na nipa ye wo na ye pass no da tie ni nti na wo mo so aka de na kire yin se wo kwa asɔre na wo miracle atia wo hwe wani ma no aka ne wo pa akire wati no aju sika eti de yeti eno aka akire yen eno ma de age vote lorry fe no betum atomatum biem afa na ebese akosoro aka ho na wo bisam se meti wo se Ghana ni mani dia me de mani nyi se meti wo se me ye Ghana ni ebiso mampanyini budget okoka yekodi ewo budget ya o mampanyini se wo freeze employment for a whole year na wo kukuru sika twitwiri dia akọ ne office se president office ye disika ente se ekọ wa ma akodi near this can't say, I was a galamse, we galamse, no, Miss Anna Micano, or the Akoshe Ekoshe any sika baby, what you just say the Kawa, Bra and Kola, Yaka, your madness in training heavy, I hear your teacher training heavy on Koran and Kospunanka, almost met the enemy. Not your mamma's one, the home, yes, campus to a mayor then managing. Bibi also walk also. The Akufa, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Baya, Umbeja economy, see. I'll bet a man back catcher as a gun I had dinty and to Abaman, or buy I had dim baby as I come home. Abroso, as I said, you would die into a man gun and idiot. A munyo in a mania, the many is a mere gun, and it is a mine, a wired thing, your mamma, mine, wired thing, papa. Now you go is a mine wired thing.
Yo, that's a Ghana job. Yo, a sorry penny, and I said, I'm ready for Ghana Jollof na Ayɛka no. All right, the aspiring. Good evening, Pacho. What to say?
The voice.
Bia boko there. Now your baby is where?
Oh, I had to soon. I might have to get because just a minute ago now was, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, then let me hear you.
So I first idea. I mean, it's whatever it is. I have nothing to say about it. That's what we voted for. But sir and no, I mean who video no, you know, say. I mean, it's like, don't you see where things are going? So it's like you'll be no, and I feel like Ghana, your position is helpless to see because we don't have the parliament as well. So what is the solution? Because you better have a nothing comes out of it. Like what would be the essence of coming here to talk all the time? So it's you know, maybe like a hammy because I'm here to talk. I can see what can happen. Like I feel like because number one, or man in the speech way or say breaks. The nation is headed towards breaks, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm getting feedback. And now, or say CIA or then declassified some documents that says CIA na engineering the coup in 1966. I feel like or petrol Ghana. So more betimi adwane akwa baby sisi me Ghana but then me busia for Ghana. So say Mali for ne Niger for ni we a wode ne ho akobo wo mo den say no hadwene and they ha me kra ne say NDC for no they think say efe no am ko page bi which I followed obi a me NPP me na me click it live on so Mahama Netwari picture and that one mature so that stroke of visionary leaders NDC 4-pager or more days discussing. So say sometimes you know people high like you can't say democracy in Kwane, but then one track communism. How would you know the communism? Yeah, and I say how would you know Sibia a military leader a good.
For real?
Yes, they were discussing that. To me, says a Bakrasa Mahama Casa or Baby Bisana, he will get supporters. So on to I mean, during what I'm saying, and today, Ben Pana, like NDC for, do they even think? Or much you don't want me no, Satuari no, more visionary leader. They no, I have my doubts about because as a military leader, he can control the world seas. Do we actually know what is going on in Burkina? No. In Russia, for instance, we are journalists now. Kasatia Putina. We were mysterious death. No, so you know, means now emfa Burkina Faso and your benchmark because I almost 2 tomato factories. At the side of Ghana, Crano, the Hanayan she was say. I don't know NPP me and a bar one of these lives you so all praising because of Tuarias tomato factory in 2 years now. A dear da since Kwame Nkrumah.
When we had more than 100 factories constructed over 80 by Akufo-Addo.
Yeah, so we name na. he didn't know. He was asking, say, Ghana, da. We don't even have a gold refinery. We had to tell him, say, a gold refinery. Because we don't post about Sania man. And that goes to show, say, the American and Burkina Faso wants us to believe what they want us to believe. We don't know what is actually on the ground. So
let me tell you something about what is on the ground. We had one tipper truck driver who decided to go live whilst he was in Burkina Faso, and he was telling us how sometimes they can be stranded for 2 weeks without fuel in Burkina Faso. 2 weeks. So it
so they will see, somebody, and I don't know if they didn't get here. President don't pay in Indiana and come support no because we can't for this to happen.
Midase, the aspiring. Okay, Voter Senior Minister, good evening.
Good evening, the voice.
I don't want to say. Yes, I don't know who you are, but 5 minutes in.
Okay, so medical curfew Burkina Faso. You see, voice say Oko Burkina Faso. Met me a catch say team Nyama ya West chance West chance former president. Is it Brad Campari, something like that, or no?
Blaise Compaoré.
Blaise Compaoré, no, or me say now no the course of Cote d'Ivoire and say the course of Burkina Faso and say first na bibia na ba media for can say that at the side in a easy. You can never bibi na nya kra untumi enko media enko ka untumi complaining. My situation I worse. I'm telling you, say, you know, you see, because of say military leaders, you know, citizens or the fear show mu, or the more show mu, you know, at the end we want to make, and it's like, omo pekwambia, omo nyaya kasadi no kray. This guy no konya president, and they are under democratic rule.
That is why they've been trying so much to assassinate him. Look at the number of times they have had attempts on his life already.
I'm telling you, say, this guy, you know, are very tough among the citizens. It is so bitty, baby. It's like the person is portrayed, say, maybe something better is going on at that place. Or boy, it's not true. I'm telling you, it's like almost situation. Yeah, west, very, 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 very west. Into enya no kwese omo no mo ba don ama dey see woye no ho say o person o create o it's like o create or the no ko bon for na ECOWAS for apa kwambis no o sanction Ghana na papa kwambis na say bibi kura na basic kura na so person o ko 2 times then ECOWAS Libyan kana sem na it's like or dream one trimuno and yep adream papa. I
am surprised that I'm not the only person who is seeing this whole plan unravel before our eyes.
Yeah. You see, he's trying to pitch this Sahara country against the ECOWAS countries. What you say? Because these people are almost suspended. Now, oh sorry, who a member of ECOWAS? Now then you shall not now call. It's like. Then they can even tag you say, "Oh no, you're enemy for the ECOWAS." Yeah, both probably crowd, but me I catch it. In this case, you know, ECOWAS for crowd move from us. Can say be a Ghana, be a almost Sansia. Then you bet then you omuna, be a low be a bit to me. I'm a one term now will be doing to me seeking another term. No, then that's our law. No, then we free as here. Then we to me afa kwembizu. Now what changing manano. Undemocratically, now what you need at that's anyway. Papa no person oye.
Exactly.
Some person oye and Tesadia and Kakodi both Burkina Faso masa be anyhow. Almost here go talk tomatoes on a day. They say tomatoes a free Burkina Faso eba Ghana hamaye dino. And do 20%. And do 20% of our tomatoes consumption. And the Omokika say Burkina Faso any same pan a free one. And no say country no more develop to the sense and as I say no guy no buy no country no more to which first no it's not true. Me say omo boa. Now if you na me ka a friend say transportation no once.
All right.
Penny there is long overdue because mama buy fuel price at cost by 3 to 4 times. What you say? And a dollar 14 cities ako. And then they say dollar no. Last week na 14 city, 15 city, 49 pesos. And then a 16 city, I think it's 10 pesos or 15 pesos. You get it?
I see.
So all those things, you know, ebema petrol na kosro. Na abayno so nya na adwene say o solution ama no. They say good for oil na. Eno na ye ade a yebetumi di asecure yebetumi di atofu eno so. Is almost omuntumi omun continue biom. And the ebasa or mefa your hard currency, no. Then just economy in the best and ebe west in the next 3 months time. What do you besi Ghana? Why you have food and Ukraine you be na ya to. You best sell like na ya koto. Intermediate ebo no de omutuma Ghana for eno na ye say ye pe. Na na do omusi na do 3 more than or ye wicked or ye dey and ya koto abama ha. Me say ope one two fuel mu 1 liter no enko be 50 cedis. Enko be 100 cedis. I don't care, my brother. Still, we will survive. At least,
definitely.
MPP for say about 80% of MPP will survive. And this is for no moment. So, yeah, can be a baby, there can be a country almost say, Papa, man to Abamano, and a Marco to Abamano. And any decision be or Bebiano, any hardship be a Biano. We are all 200%. And then a yard, what I say, and you there,
Yeah.
Yes, I'm from